got a 2007 Pontiac Grand Prix with a 3800 V6. I'm doing a throttle body assembly. First, you got this connector. It's gonna be right here. Well, this is gonna be on top. You're gonna twist this to the left, pull it off, pop that off. You got here. There's gonna be a connector on here, right? On this connector, it's gonna be one little tab like this. It's gonna sit on it like that. Pull it forward, get it out. After you get it out, pull this clip up, and this will slide off of that like that. Boom. After you get it right there, you just come over here to your box, pull this tab up, pull that tab up. Alright, then you lift these tabs up right here on this connector. Boom, and then push this button in. Lift it up, get that off. You got a connector right here. Just the vent hose, pop it out. And it's gonna be a flat head. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Get that off. And you can pull this out the way. You're gonna have 4 10mm bolts. Four bolts, 1 nut. One nut, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 nuts, 2 bolts. Get those 2 off, and you good to go. And they're gonna be 10mm. And the reason I'm doing this is because the vehicle had a code. The dash is saying reduce engine speed, and they're not getting over like 2,000 RPMs. Now the codes brought up had me change the throttle, the accelerator pedal first. Now here we are. So after we get the 4 bolts off, you know you're sitting on these 2 pins, so you got to bring it straight out. And you do it. You just give it a little wiggle here, wiggle there, and it's off. See how dirty that is. We're gonna turn it on. Then to go back on, you just slide it back on, do your 4 bolts. And if you can, go ahead and clean up in there. And, ready to go. Make sure your new one got a seal in it with a gasket in it. Brand new.